sip some herbal tea, but boil the cup. Oops, 1, 2, 3. Achoo! When the dragon sparks to flight, lit the stars and lit the night. Villagers ran, goats took wing, all from a sneeze. What a fiery thing! He saw a wizard passing by with a purple robe and twinkling eye. Please help me stop this sneezy blast before I torch the world too fast. The wizard smiled and gave a charm, a tissue spell to do no harm. Blow gently, dragon, with all your might, and now your sneeze brings northern